Welcome, here I've got Honor View 20 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. It gives us access to the advanced camera settings. Now we have to just simply slide a little bit down to the general settings, and here we have the add watermark option. So by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works, and for now let me keep this turn it on and let's go back to the camera to take a photo. And now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this button, we get quick access to the gallery. So this is our picture in the gallery, and as you can see here at the left corner we have the watermark of Honor View 20. So this is how it looks like. So let's go back. Of course, when we don't need it, we can easily turn it off by going again to this button here in the right corner, sliding to the general settings and tapping on this. So when we take another picture now, we can see the watermark because this option is turned off. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.